In this video, we are going to discuss the problem of CSI NET December 2008 problem of linear algebra. Which of the following statements are true? So we are given four statements. First statement, any two quadratic forms of same rank in n variables over R are isomorphic. Any two quadratic forms of same rank in n variables over C are isomorphic. Third statement, any two quadratic forms in n variables over C are isomorphic. And the fourth statement, a quadratic form in 4 variables may be isomorphic to the quadratic form in 10 variables. So it is isomorphism of two quadratic forms over R and over C. So for that, we recall some result associated with the isomorphism of two quadratic forms. So first result, two quadratic forms each in n variables are isomorphic over R if and only if they have same rank and same index, or same rank and same signature. So first statement, any two quadratic forms of same rank in n variables over R are isomorphic. It is an incomplete statement because it is don't say anything about the same index or same signature of two quadratic forms. Therefore, it is an incomplete statement and it is incorrect. So option 1 is wrong. Now, option 2, which is about the isomorphism of two quadratic form in complex field. So two quadratic form each in n variables are isomorphic over C if and only if they have the same rank. So it is a condition only about the same rank, and that is given in the statement 2. So statement 2 is a correct. Now option number 3 says that any two quadratic form in n variables over C are isomorphic. So we cannot say any two quadratic form are the same. Those quadratic form are same, they have the same rank. So the statement is incomplete. Option number 3 is wrong. Now option number 4, it is about the two quadratic forms. 4 variables may be isomorphic to a quadratic form in 10 variables. So matrix associated with the quadratic forms in 4 variables. Suppose A is equal to identity matrix. Now we consider the matrix associated with the quadratic form in 10 variables, which is B is equal to I4. That means first 4 cross 4 entries are identity and the remaining entries are 0. So it is matrix associated with the quadratic form in 10 variables. So if we compare, then one can easily develop isomorphism between A and B. Therefore, the fourth statement, which is about the isomorphism between quadratic form in 4 variables and quadratic forms in 10 variables, is correct. Check the description and visit our website, which may help to you. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon of Next Gen Mess.